this video, we are talking about parallel structure errors. And so with the parallel structure errors, we can think of this in the same way that we think of math. If we have two parallel lines, they are the same and they never touch because they're going in the exact same direction. So in that way, when we have a minimum of 2 matching word patterns, sometimes we could have 3, we need to make sure that those word patterns match each other. So, for example, we can have parallel structure errors in lists. So, if you look at this first sentence right here, it says, you should receive your results quickly, efficiently, and at no cost to you. We don't have a matching word pattern between all 3 things in this list. Quickly and efficiently match, they're both adverbs, but this is a phrase that doesn't match the word pattern. So we could take that out and align it with quickly and efficiently, and we could say, freely. We could say affordably, cheaply, making sure that those words align. Looking at this next example, Zach Hurst spent his evening studying, playing with his kids, and called his wife who traveled for work. So again, we see that studying and playing match, but called is suddenly past tense instead of a gerund, so we need to change that to match the other words there. So we can also have parallel structure errors with comparisons. So if you look at this first one, we see it's faster to skateboard there than walking. Since we have to skateboard, then we need to have the same sort of structure with our word at the end here. Then it is to walk. And if we look at this next one, my baseball skills are nothing in comparison to how clever I am as a chess player. So we need to make sure that our word patterns match. So what are the 2 things we're comparing? We're comparing, well, A, my baseball skills, and then B, how clever I am as a chess player. Well, we could just take that out and say my baseball skills are nothing in comparison to my chess skills. Finally, we can look at this one. Clay's income is nothing in comparison to Ashley. This is actually one of the more common parallel structure errors, and we have to be really careful here because Clay's income is what we're comparing, but we don't have Ashley's anything here. We just have Ashley. So we're actually comparing someone's income to a human being, which is not a great idea. So we could say to Ashley's salary. And then we have matching word patterns and we are comparing the correct items.